Hi everyone, John Matthews here for Levitate. We're so thankful that you're a client of ours and we really enjoy collaborating with you on this business building journey. We've had some incredible input over the last couple of months from our users, our clients, and we've decided to make a few key changes and updates to the Levitate home staging quote widget. And I think you'll be excited about these and you'll find them very helpful. The first change that we're making, and the first update that you'll see, is the very first question around the design style. When we first created the quote tool many years ago for our staging business, what we were trying to accomplish was really getting inside the mind of the consumer. We were sharing with them a handful of images. We were not telling them what those images reflected or represented, and we were just simply saying, tell us what you like. Tell us what style you prefer. That allowed us to gauge our training, our education, and make sure that we're guiding them down the right path. Obviously, years later, that question and the way it's phrased, the images may not be quite as relevant or applicable to all of the different staging companies that are on the Levitate platform. And we've had a lot of people say, how do I change the images? How do I make the images different or go away, maybe better reflect my business? Here's what we're doing. On this new update and this new launch, we are going to do away with the images and we're just simply going to ask the customer, what style is your home? Is it traditional, contemporary, modern, transitional? Or we can help you decide. Maybe you have no idea and the staging company, you, the expert, can guide them on the most appropriate style. So we see that as a helpful update. It'll be a little bit more broad and applicable to all of the Levitate staging quote users. The second enhancement or feature that we're going to be rolling out is a change to the time horizon question. That's just a little bit cleaner, a little bit tighter. We're asking questions of, do you need it immediately? Is this 2 to 3 weeks, within a couple of months, or is it a longer term project that may be beyond 60 days, for example? So that question's a little bit tighter. Third, and finally, we have added some qualifying language to the results page. So as the consumer goes through the process, receives their number, their estimate, we've always said, hey, this is what home staging should cost based on your request, based on your inputs. Now, below the quote, we're going to be offering some qualifying language that says, hey, just a reminder, this quote is designed to be a helpful tool to just simply get an estimate. And it's based on the variables or the inputs that you've offered, and it is definitely subject to verification. So those are the 3 enhancements. We're going to be pushing those out, so everyone with the home staging quote widget will see those as we go into this new week. We're really excited about that. We are going to continue to pay attention to conversions and optimizing this widget. We get a lot of feedback and we have a lot of input and insights into some good ideas and what works. We also do have a very specific reason and thought process behind the questions that we ask and the way it is currently formulated. We have definitely paid attention to conversions and optimization. We know that the staging quote widget produces between 10 and 20 times the leads and results as a traditional contact us form. We've seen that in the data, and it's clearly working well. A lot of stagers are seeing some great success. As a part of where we're headed, we also are going to begin offering more input and provide some videos and tutorials on how to generate more traffic, how to get more people to your site, how to share what you have available, and with the Levitate staging quote widget, get more leads. So we're working on that. We're also working on some integrations. In this next quarter, we are going to be really excited to share and show how you can take leads from the Levitate dashboard, the leads that you're receiving, and push those into other platforms, MailChimp, for example. So stay tuned. We'll have a lot more exciting features and content coming. And please, if there's any point where you have a question or you could use a resource, please let us know. Send me an email, give me a call. Be happy to support you through that. Again, until next time, John Matthews for Levitate.